as my post said. And if you don't follow me, Julia Carely, QVC. That's where you can find me. Facebook, Instagram. Okay, I love these. I've presented these before, and they were crazy, crazy popular. And they've been so popular that we actually sold out of the other color that we had offered. But we're down to what I think is the cleanest, most modern look. It's the clear. This is from a brand called Prepara. I'm gonna kind of show you exactly what it is that you're getting, because you're getting 12 pieces in total. Swirl design, done in Tritan. Yes, that's what they make airplane windshields out of. Oops, sorry about my mic there. You're getting a 12-piece set. You are getting 6 of the 16-ounce tumblers that you see right here in front, and you're getting 6 of the 24-ounce tumblers. Why do you want Tritan? Well, you want Tritan when you got little hands. Maybe it's the little grandkids who come over and ask for that glass of juice. Well, it has these nice swirl design on it, which if you can hear that? Can you hear that? I think you can. That means that you get that nice tight grip on it. But if for some reason it slips out of your hands, it's Tritan. It is nearly indestructible. Also happens to be shatterproof, BPA free, dishwasher safe. You're getting all 12 pieces that you see here for $19.99. Oh, look at that. Isn't my math right? Yeah, my math is not right. No. Normally $36 is $19.99. Yeah, it is right. You're saving $21.51 with the free shipping and handling. So this is what you stock up for. You know, we talked about the cooking light knives earlier in our show. Like that was for like the cookouts and things like that and your everyday knives. These are your everyday glasses. They're not glass, but they look glass because of that clear design. Final quantities though, no reorder. They do stack as you saw earlier, so you don't have to worry about all the space, but it's super safe to take them outside. These can go to the pool with you. These can go to the beach with you where glass is not allowed by any means. And because they stack, put them in your California Innovations, right? And then you have glassware for everyone. But it looks really elevated. It looks really chic, put together. And when I'm entertaining outside, I don't want to use those big red or blue plastic cups, right? I don't want something I'm just going to throw away at the end of the day. I want something that I could use over and over and over. Where I live, in my apartment building, we have a beautiful like resort-like pool that we use during the summer, but we can't have glass down there. So when I want to bring out a little cocktail or something like that, sometimes my neighbors and I would make runs up and we take turns making like drinks for everybody and bringing them down. This is what I could use because it's plastic. Throw a little straw in there and it's like I'm on vacation. You're getting 6 of each size. You're getting 2 different sizes. This here is your 24-ounce tumbler. And then I also have it for you, or also with it, is the 16-ounce tumbler. So for the little hands, for the big hands, for the sangria, for the fruit punch. You know, it just makes sense. It's elevated, it's put together, it's super safe, it looks really good. We used to have them in a different color, but these are just so popular. But the clear is where it's at because I think the clear works with anything. If you're entertaining indoors or outdoors, this could be your everyday glass that you're drinking out of indoors as well. We only had 1,200 remaining. The price is too good to be true. It's $1.66 a piece. I challenge you to go anywhere to find a price like that for something that's done in Tritan. Again, shatterproof, nearly indestructible, sturdy, a really cool textured swirl design that looks really elevated, looks really pretty. It looks like glass. You have a nice grip on it, but when you're entertaining outside, you just look really put together. You know, I love the outdoor wear that Temptations brings to us. I get the palms and the palm leaves with the lemons on it. What is that material that you use outdoors? Why am I blanking on that right now? Anyways, it's shatterproof also. What is it called? It's on the tip of my tongue. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. What is that called? It'll come to me at like 3 o'clock in the morning and then I'll put it on my Facebook. But when you take plates outside, like Temptations brings, and it's like shatterproof, no one. I'm getting blank stares everywhere. Tempered glass? Not tempered glass. It'll come to us. Anyways. Let's talk about the glasses some more though, because it's not plastic. It's, gosh, where's Lisa Lessort when I need her? I collect it too. All right, look, everybody look on QVC.com and find out for me. And I'll find out, and we'll all be very satisfied when we find out together. But you're getting 12 of these. So if you're a big entertainer and you want to double up on this and get a 24 set, then you can totally do that because you're saving more than you're spending. You're saving with the free shipping and handling $21.51. You're spending $19.99. It's shipping for free. It's a $5 easy pay, $1.66 a piece. I know I just threw a lot of numbers and a lot of math at you, but it's worth it, is what I'm telling you, for something that is nearly indestructible, shatterproof, looks good, won't stain also because of that Tritan. You're getting 6 of the 24 ounces, 6 of the 16 ounces. How many are gone? 200 of you picked it up and 1,100 now left. So you gotta shop quickly for this because when it's gone, it is gone. I love the look of it. Like, it doesn't matter what your style is. Like, if you go totally like beachy, resorty outdoors, if you're coastal, I love that coastal look. If you're cottage core, that's a big one right now. If you're super contemporary and modern, which is what I am, it doesn't matter. This just looks good. It looks like glass. It looks like you paid a ton for it. But it just looks really nice. Fill it up with ice, it's like, I like the clear too, because when you put something like a sangria or a fruit punch or mimosas, that would be a big mimosa, but you do you. A mimosa in there, the color shows through and it just makes for a really pleasant experience. Again, you're getting 12 in total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the 16 ounce and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the 24 ounce. They do stack. Melamine, who got that? Andrew, we will all sleep so much easier tonight, Andrew. Saved the day. Melamine is what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, did you see like the weight of the world just lift off of my shoulders? He said I'm sweating. Melamine. This pairs perfectly with your melamine dinnerware for outdoors. Oh, thank you, Andrew. It is H458637, $19.99.